Welcome to Nursing Manthra Job Information video. If you did not subscribe Nursing Manthra YouTube channel until now, please subscribe now and enable the bell icon to get updated job informations video.
Canadian Specialist Hospital offers a range of exciting medical, nursing, allied health, career opportunities in UAE. Registered Nurse, NICU. Job Description. Provides professional nursing care to neonates and their families, receives supervision and direction from the nurse in charge and supervisor. Delivers nursing care compliant within established policies, procedures and healthcare in CSH. Works as performed on any shift. Hours are as assigned and may include on-call. Experience. 3 years. Qualification. Bachelor degree. Gender. Female. Email. careers@csh.ae, or apply in online. Apply before July 15, 2020. Endoscopy Technician. Job Description. Intermediate diploma in OT Technology. Specialty in gastroenterology. Minimum 2-year experience after qualification. Ability to care for patients undergoing endoscopic procedures, and to provide technical assistance during diagnostic and therapeutic procedures. Must demonstrate an understanding of clinical risk. Knowledge of GI diagnosis, treatment and health education. Experience. 3 years. Qualification. Bachelor degree. Gender. Female. Email. careers@csh.ae, or apply in online. Apply before July 31, 2020. General Practitioner. ICU, CCU. Job Description. Current license in the country of origin and with DHA license as a general practitioner to practice in Dubai, UAE. Excellent command of oral and written English. Knowledge of Arabic language is desirable but not essential. Valid BLS license is a must. Experience. 4 years. Qualification. Bachelor degree. Gender, any. Email. careers@csh.ae, or apply in online. Apply before June 30, 2020.
Apply in online. Please check description for application link.